Hey guys, it's Gloria here, and today we are going to be opening up Journey Girls. And I love these dolls, and I have one, and we're in her bedroom actually. We're in her bedroom. And here's my bracelets of Shopkins. But she's at school right now. She has a lot of homework to do. But she'll be back. And we got to open this scarf for her and shoes, hat, and her purse. And this fits most 18-inch dolls. And here's a picture of it. And I got this for my birthday, and this is a present for my little doll, so I hope she'll really like it. And let's get opening. Hey guys, I'm back, and my doll is here. She's just gonna lay down on the bed. And yeah, she got surprised, and it's not a present anymore. So these are the shoes out of the box. And yeah, this is everything. And I love this stuff, so it's gonna be perfect for my doll. Which is me, I'm right here. Okay, I'm sorry, but she can't wear this right now. Because it's going to be hard to look at her when I put this on. And, I'm really sorry. Anyway, bye, like, subscribe, comment what you want me to do next. I could do Bratz, Season 5 Shopkins. I already have it. Woo! Charms. Anyway, bye.